Hello, good evening, or should I say good morning? It's actually 12:45 a.m. Friday morning. I haven't went to bed yet. I went to Dollar Tree today and I wanted to show you what I picked up before I put everything away. I love Dollar Tree haul videos. That's my latest obsession. I just love watching what everyone picks up. So I want to show you what I picked up, but I will warn you, this is not a typical Dollar Tree haul because I don't pick up what everyone else picks up. Similar stuff, but not what everyone else picks up. I have no kids. I do have 2 nieces that I spoil, and I don't really pick up a lot of food items. I don't really do beauty stuff, so I still pick up some pretty cool stuff, just not what everyone else picks up. So just warn you. Remember, I'm a toy collector, so you know most of the stuff I pick up is toy themed. So let me just start off with, I did pick up some office stuff though. I got this. This is just a cheap stapler for $1. It's purple. I've been printing out a whole bunch of vacation ideas lately, and I need to staple that stuff together. Of course, I have a stapler somewhere in this office. I have no idea where it's at. So for $1, I'll buy another one. And then I bought, what do you call these? Pencil sharpeners. And my husband's like, why are you picking up pencil sharpeners? Do you really need one? Do you have pencils? Do you use pencils? No, I don't. But I do have them. I could totally sharpen this if I wanted. These are adorable. These are like, look, they're called piranha. They're shaped like little fish, and the shavings go in the belly. 2 for $1. They are so cute. And as I look at my desk, I realize that I collect pencil sharpeners, and I didn't even mean to. So like right now, right here, I can grab, look at this little slot machine I picked up at Las Vegas. That's a pencil sharpener. So apparently I already had a pencil sharpener. And then I see another one up here. Hold on. Here's a Smokey the Bear pencil sharpener I picked up at last year's state fair. So yeah, apparently I have a pencil sharpener collection, and I didn't even mean to. But hello, piranha, so adorable. So I got those. And then I picked up notepads because you can never have too many notepads. So this is a flamingo, pineapple. I'm so bad at remembering where my camera is. Mermaid, this is my favorite. Look at that. I believe in magic. That's adorable. And then can't touch this. Okay, wait. This is my favorite. Can't touch this. Too funny. So I always need notepads. So got those. And then I picked up this book. This is a monster knitting book. This is a craft book. It has tons of patterns for like, just like these cute little crafty Halloween hat type stuff. This was $1. Dollar Tree, $1. The original price is $22.99. I don't know what I'm going to do with it. I'm probably just going to sell it on Etsy. Like I said, I don't have kids, so, and my nieces are a little too old for this cutesy stuff. So I just thought for $1, I mean, surely I could get $5 or $6 out of it on Etsy. That is so cool. I almost like, I had to restrain myself in the book aisle because they had so many hardback books for $1. I'm like, surely there's money to be had here, but I just, as you can see on my bookshelves, I already have plenty of books. So I really had to restrain myself. That I just couldn't believe all these books. I mean, they have like thin, cheapy books intermingled, but then they have hardback books that you look at the USBN price or ISBN price, like $22. I'm like, that's why Dollar Tree is awesome, because occasionally you find something that's worth way more than $1. So I got that, and then I picked up this Rubik's Cube. This is just a generic brand Rubik's Cube. This is not an official Rubik's Cube. It is these little colored stars. I love puzzle Rubik's Cubes. Am I allowed to say Rubik's Cube? Because that's like a brand name, and this is not a brand name. But then, that's just how I think of them. I have several. Like, again, everything is so handy. Look, here's a Christmas one. I got this, I don't know where I even got this one. So I have a Christmas themed one. Oh, wait. Here's a Texas one I picked up in Texas. So, you know I love my puzzle cubes. So, and then I have the official 1980s Rubik's Cube somewhere around here. Somewhere. I don't know. I didn't realize all my stuff I like is handy. So anyway, Rubik's Cube, and then they call it a 3D puzzle. I call it a Rubik's Cube. I just don't know if that's allowed. And then the last thing I got is the best thing ever. I got 31 packages of Wacky Packages. I bought all they had. I would have bought more. All they had was 31. So these are $1 package. So these Wacky Packages only have 4 stickers in them. If you buy a package from Walmart, they have like 8 stickers. So a normal package is 8 stickers. So that's how the Dollar Tree like makes their money. Or I mean, you know what I'm trying to say? It's a lot of stuff at Dollar Tree is smaller than if you were to buy it at a different store. So if you were to buy this at Walmart, it would have 8 stickers in it, and it's been a while, but I think they're like $2.79. I googled it to see what the average price was, and they're all over the board. So I think $1 for 4 is really, really good, because 8 for $2.79. And you don't see these anymore because this is like from the beginning of the year. Everyone already has their complete sets. So yeah, I had to buy them all. So if you're not familiar with Wacky Packages, these are parody stickers. These started in the 80s, maybe even the late 70s. But no, I think they started in the 80s. And I used to get them as a kid. Not a lot because I was poor, but I got one occasionally, and they are just hilarious. So this one is Go to the Movies. And I'm going to open these up, and I'm going to do a separate video in case anyone cares. I know I do have some toy collector fans, so, and I love scary movies. So these are going to be like very interesting to see what I got. And I don't know anything about them. I do like stickers, I do like collector cards, but I'm not a hardcore collector. I know, just Googling it, you know, there's complete sets, there's rare ones, there's hologram ones, there's like so many different, I don't know anything about it. I know some are more desirable than the others. I don't know if this includes the rare ones that are worth anything. They're just neat, and they're stickers. So why not? I can't wait to open all these. So yeah, that's my Dollar Tree haul. Not like a typical Dollar Tree haul. You gotta be a toy collector fan to appreciate this, but seriously. Piranha pencil sharpener. Who thought of this? I'm gonna open this right now. Everyone needs to go to the Dollar Tree and go get their Piranha pencil sharpener. I try to explain to my husband, people still use regular pencils. It's still a thing, right? Like, you all use pencils at school? Look at this. See? And then you stick the pencil in his mouth, and then open it up to empty out the shavings. Oh my god. I'm gonna find space somewhere to add my pencil sharpener. So now I have 3 pencil sharpeners. So that's in a collection, right? If you have something more than 2, it's officially a collection. So yes, apparently I collect pencil sharpeners. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe buttons, and I will see you later.